Hello, Custurians.
Chapter Transport and Communication. Transport. In today's world, transport and communication have practically shrunken the globe. We can travel from one corner of the country to another in few hours. Now, we can communicate with people living thousands of kilometers away in seconds. Earlier, humans traveled on foot. Then they invented the wheel and started making carts. These were pulled by animals. However, these were slow modes of transport. But now, India has a well developed network of transport. Traveling to near and far off places has become fast, comfortable, and convenient. The road transport of a country has a large network. The roads can either metalled or unmetalled. Most roads in cities and towns are metalled. They are made of stone, cement, and tar. Also, the state government ensures that public road transport is affordable for the benefit of the people. National Highway Authority of India (NHAI) constructs and maintains national highways, which are important roads linking major cities and state capitals of India. Railways. Railways are the lifeline of a country. They connect all parts of India. People use railway to travel to different places for their work, education, business, sightseeing, pilgrimage, or visiting friends and family. Nowadays, trains such as Rajdhani Express and Shatabdi Express travel at a speed of 120 to 130 kilometers per hour. In most of the cities, there are metro trains. Metro trains have eased daily commuting and reduced the time travel of local people. Waterways. Water transport is the cheapest mode of transport and most suitable for transporting heavy goods. The passenger ships carry people, cargo ships transport goods, and tanker ships carry petroleum and oil. Airways. Aeroplanes are the fastest mode of transport. Major cities and towns of India are connected by airways. Transport using air as the mode of traveling is called airways or air transport. Communication is the system of sending and receiving spoken, written, or visual messages, ideas, and information for personal and office purpose. Postal service. India's postal service is called India Post is the largest postal network in the world. People go to a post office to buy stamps, inland letters, postcards, and stamped envelopes. Telephone service. We can talk to people in any part of the world over the telephone. Landline phones, however, are no longer popular. They have been replaced by mobile phones, smartphones, which are all in one devices which can do many things. Internet telephony. These days, internet and emails have made our life easier. We can sit at home, access any website, and get information or any topic through the internet. Nowadays, many people access internet on their smartphones, laptops, or computers. They also exchange messages through apps and social networking sites. Means of mass communication are radios, television, newspaper, cinema, books, and magazines.